Hi there, I'm Court from Total Prepare, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Legion Survival Kit. Let's open it up, shall we? And here we are. At its core, this kit has 72 hours worth of food and water with a 5-year shelf life, shelter, first aid, and heat. What sets this kit apart from other kits in its size category are the LifeStraw personal water filter and the Kaito hand crank radio and flashlight. The Legion Survival Kit was designed in coordination with care home residents to be a fully featured, compact, and portable kit. They especially liked that it hung off of walkers nicely. We liked it so much that we decided to make it one of our standard kits. It fits in vehicles, bedside tables, desk drawers, and anywhere else that you need to tuck a kit. The Kaito KA404W is a hybrid flashlight and radio that can be powered by hand crank. It's pre-programmed to receive NOAA weather band radio stations and can even charge your phone. The LifeStraw is a personal water filter that operates just like a straw. It filters out harmful bacteria and protozoa from your drinking water and will handle up to 4,000 liters over its lifespan. For more information about this kit or any of the other ones we carry, check us out at totalprepare.ca. Thanks for watching, and until next time, be prepared, not scared.